Hey guys, we're gonna play RoBlOx Among Us. I'm eating right now. Sorry. Alright, it's about to start. Alright, I wanna pick this map. This map. This map. This map. This. Fine, I'll pick this one. Pick this one. Then if I go over here, that's gonna have 3. No. Come on. This. It's a battle. Yes, more people pick this because they. Yes. I'm an innocent. Alright, fine. Boring. Nah. You serious? Let's go. Press E. Okay. On laptop, this takes me forever to do this task. Huh. Come on. Get it. Okay. Bam. See? That took... I'm way faster on that task, like... Okay. They just killed me. That sucks. Oh, listen in the trap. Red. Yeah. No, orange killed me. And orange is saying it's red. Running from body. Oh, you found the body. Wait, no, orange killed me. Wait, no, I don't remember. I don't remember. No, I have a short memory. Let's see. Oh, he did kill me. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think he just was standing still in shock because he just lost as an imposter. Yeah. You can actually like zoom out like that, so you can see what's next to you. I think Gray's about to kill yellow. Gray? Gray, what are you doing? Gray, don't you? There's light. There's light. There it is. Go through the area. Go through everywhere. Ah! Who's gonna kill yellow? Who's gonna kill yellow? So I was AFK. I was AFK. What happened? What the freak happened? Hello? Where? Yeah, where? It's gray or yellow. They just voted orange. You're done. What the freak, man? Oh, wait, what? Oh, what? Oh, so he basically snitched. He snitched on his imposter. That's kind of messed up, but okay. Yeah, this map. Alright, I'll just wait for people to vote. Hello? One voted that. Alright, I'm gonna vote that actually. Never mind. It's time to move on to a new map. How dare you pick those two maps? I like this one better. I'm an innocent again! Yeah, I can get killed out of nowhere. Alright, let's go. Oh. Why is... Alright. Straight into security. Alright, let's see what this task is. Zoom in. It takes forever to do that task. Alright, let's see. Where? Where? Self-report? Who did it? Cash money. They think it's a self-report. Alright. You say so, so. Alright. Throw whatever, yeah, into space. Oh, I thought that said another word, gray. Wow, that was true. Dang, that fast? That was an easy round. That was one of the easiest rounds I have ever played. Come on. Alright. Now this again. This map, that map. Yeah, we're gonna win. That's 2, that is 3. Yeah. We're winning. We're winning. Hey, we're winning. Look, we have 5 now. We have 5 now. 2 and 5. Yeah. My team is definitely gonna win. And I'm an innocent. Okay. Again. This video is actually gonna stop at 15 minutes, so whatever. I don't always think. I thought someone would just like go in the vent like randomly. Alright. Orange, I don't trust you. Get the freak out of here. Okay, I'm gonna see if someone gets murdered. What? What? What, Yellow? Yellow reported this? Ew. There's hair in my food. Where did that come from? Pink! Ramen. Fine. If it's not pink, it's yellow. And yellow, that took you kind of a long time. I saw him do skin, if not orange. Moment of silence. So confused. Orange was on cams. Yeah, that was true. More people voted skip. Alright, fine. I'm gonna take advantage of the cams. Hey, Blue, I don't trust you. Thank you. Ugh. Okay. Hey, Blue, you're sus. Don't do it. Okay? What? What did you just say? Kill Black and Blue. What do you mean? I did nothing. Black and Blue. What do you mean? I did nothing. At least you were like following me, kind of. But then you got scared. That like someone was gonna pop up out of nowhere, so you walked away. I did a task? Yeah. It took long enough. Tap crewmate. I'm very Foxy. I'm very sorry, Foxy, but you might have to get voted out. It's Black or Blue. What do you mean? What do you mean there's no Black? There's no Black. I did nothing. Alright, I'm gonna go with Pig. It's a big risk. Pig is going by himself, so it's a big risk. What are you doing? What are you doing? Sus. Bye. Ah! That was at the last second. Verify identity. Oh god, the doors are locked. Let me get in. Let me get in. Help! I don't care if the lights are off. Oh! No, don't crush me! Ah! What? What? It's orange. How? How? Orange knocked out white. Okay. Alright, fine. It's orange, whatever. Okay, and also, if it's not orange, I'm voting pink. If it's not orange, I'm voting pink. For real. They all voted him. Let's see. He was innocent!